Hello everyone, as you can see, we have a special running here. Now what happened is yesterday I was traveling and I got an email on the way to where I was traveling to, which is my house. This is actually a painting I did when I was in high school, college. But AMZScout reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to offer this to your subscribers? We're running a real quick special for you exclusively. I said, yeah. So I don't know why they reached out. I guess they're in the Christmas spirit. But as you can see, the price went from really high to a Christmas bundle, and now exclusively for you watching, there's a special. If you ever thought of selling on Amazon, this is how you do it. You want AMZScout. My screen recorder isn't working, otherwise I would record this for you, and I can't. So I have some screenshots here, but you can see the price has been reduced to $329. They're running a holiday special anyway for $379 for a year's worth of AMZScout. You can use it for a year, see if it works for you, get selling on AMZ or Amazon. I'm also going to be releasing some more videos using AMZScout, so you can follow along with me and use your software. They also have courses, but check it out. It ends December 31st. So maybe you want it as a Christmas gift from somebody, maybe gift it to yourself, whatever the case may be. I took the risk about 2 years ago and jumped into AMZScout, and I started selling, and it has been worth it. The profits are way better than $329. So go for it. And if you have any questions, comment below. Let me know what you need. But guys, do it now. Check out the couple screenshots I have. Go to the link in the description. It'll give you a good discount to get your business started. Thanks for watching, guys.